Let's see some interview questions on-campus placement or off-campus placement. Mainly interviews us about the projects you have done based on machine learning, deep learning. So apart from projects you have done, they can ask these concepts based on machine learning and deep learning. So first question comes, what is machine learning and what is artificial intelligence? So you have to explain these two concepts and differentiate between them. And then they might ask what is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. You have to cite examples of unsupervised and supervised learning. And they can also ask what is k-means clustering, what do you mean by clustering, and what is k-means clustering, what do you mean by k value. So k-means cluster you have to explain in depth, means how you are selecting the cluster centers, how you are calculating the centroid, how the method of clustering is converging. You have to explain all these things, and how the initially we take k equal to some random value. Let's say k equal to 3, then we decide uh, there are three number of clusters in the data sets. So how the k value is decided, there are some rules, please go through that also. And some questions related to overfitting and underfitting. How do you know that model is underfitting or underfitting? How will you improve on that? What is regularization? What is L2 regularization? What is L2 norm? What is L1 norm? You have to be clear on these concepts. And there are some questions based on performance matrices. What is accuracy, what is precision, what is recall, what is F1 score, when F1 score is used, why we cannot use accuracy in every machine learning problem, what is ROC curve, what is AUC. And there are some questions related to computer vision. What is convolutional neural network, what is convolution layer, what are the activation function you have used in your project. Or you have to give these names, and you have to explain why these activation functions are used and when it is used. And you have to explain in terms of computer vision convolution neural network, what is max pooling, what is average pooling. And these questions are based on the projects you have done. Let's say if you say I have done project on machine learning and I have done project on computer vision, so these questions can be asked from both this area. But if you say I have done project on natural language processing, then they will ask question from that. But if they do not ask projects machine learning projects you have done, then you can say that I know about the machine learning concepts and I know the computer vision concept. They will ask question from that only. They will not ask question from natural language processing, uh, a natural language processing. So these are the some questions uh, which have been asked in my previous interview. Thank you.